You as a parent, you're thinking about what you're going to leave to your kids, maybe making things a little bit better. Maybe you want to preserve your legacy. Maybe you just want to preserve those sentimental memories and make sure that they're there for everybody to enjoy for the future generations. Well, now you are going to be faced with an inheritance tax, basically, because when you die and you leave this to your children, they are going to owe pretty much $650,000 in taxes. And if they can't come up with that $650,000 in taxes, what's the alternative? Then they are basically going to be forced to sell that property and the traditions of, that family memory that you've had for in your generations, probably for a long, long time. So this is basically what this article is pointing out. So I'm just going to give a $1 million home price. Let's say, you're living in Ontario. HST is 13%. $1 million home, that's $130,000 now that you're paying to CRA because you simply decided to change where you live, even though it's property that you own. So the rules have gotten to the point where I don't know how much more people are going to tolerate, to be honest. And I'm hoping that it ends soon. So in this video, I need you to start thinking about who gave the government this kind of power to not only tax you once to buy something, but to tax you again to maintain it, to keep it, and then to tax you again if you sell it, and then to tax you again to give it or pass it along to your children. When is enough enough? I mean, that's the question. So governments across Canada are having to increase their revenues because people continually demand greater and more social programs, and we can't even afford to keep up with the ones that we have.